grade. So this week we are making pop art comic squares. So basically you're brainstorming a story that could be made into a comic strip, and you're picking out one scene from it and kind of enlarging it and just focusing on the one scene. But you are more than welcome to create an entire comic strip if you would like. I'm just going to pick one scene for my story. Make sure you're including bold outlines, mostly primary colors, quote bubbles, and try to include the Ben-Day dots because that's really what's going to make it look like pop art. So follow along with this to see how I create my comic square, and I hope you guys have fun with this project.